Welcome dear students. So today we are going to start a new exercise from chapter 7 Indices. So name of the exercise is 7b. Okay, so here you need to find the value of x by solving it. Okay, so this is given to you, and for making our work easy I have noted down all the formula here. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Now this base 2 cannot be factorized, all of you know that now, but we will be able to factorize 8, isn't it? So when you factorize 8 you will write it as 2 to the power 3. Okay, now here we know that if the bases are equal, for example here base is 2 and here also the base is 2. So if the bases are equal, then the powers are equal. That means this will be equals to this much. Okay, so from here you just need to solve, isn't it? Take this 1 over there, it becomes -1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and find the value of x. So this 2 goes over there in the denominator, so 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and your answer turns out to be exactly 1. So you may pause the video and note down the solution. So let's have a look at this problem now. So question says solve for x again. Okay, so as usual this is given to us. So you know 49 can be factorized. Similarly 343 can be factorized. So when you factorize 49 you get 7 into 7. Okay, and when you factorize 343 you get 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, see the power is x plus 1. Okay, now this 7 into 7 is 7 square, and we have got whole to the power x plus 4. Okay, and here this 7 into 7 into 7 can be written as 7 cube, and outside we have got power as x plus 1. Okay, now here I have multiplied the powers. Basically I am making use of this law. Okay, so whenever you have got outside one power, then you have to multiply the powers. So this law is applied here, and same happens here as well. 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 4 is 8, and we have 7 square here. Yes, now here I'm going to apply which law? If you look here, I'm going to apply here this law. Okay, the fourth one. So when you apply it, you have to add the powers, isn't it? So p plus q, that is 3x plus 3 plus 2. So that's what I have written here. And how much is this? So 3 plus 2 is 5. So that's why here also the bases are same. It is 7 and 7. So here also we get 2x plus 8 equals to 3x plus 5. Solve it and you get the value of x to be 3. So you may pause the video and note down the solution. Okay, so we have another question. I'm taking question number 2, sub number 3. So here let's try to apply this law. Okay, so you know that square root of a is nothing but a to the power half. Okay, and you can apply this law as well, you know, because we have got, see, this nth root will be equal to a to the power 1 by n. Okay, so if I apply this, see here carefully, now we have this one is given to us, isn't it? So actually there is what we have got 2. Square root means we have got 2, isn't it? So this 2 goes to the denominator, as you can see here. Okay, so 2 goes to the denominator of the power. So we have got the power is this much, but here we have 2, and that 2 goes to the denominator of x plus 1. So you get, or else if you want to write this as, a to the power half, you can also do that. Okay, now factorize 125, you get 5 into 5 into 5, and 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now here again, as I said, you can apply which law? So you can apply this law here. Okay, so you can apply this law, and that gives you this much. Yes, now here we have got the base is 3 by 5, and here the base is 5 by 3. So for that we need to invert it, and when you invert it you get 3 by 5 to the power minus 3, isn't it? So we know that if the bases are equal, then the powers are also equal. Now what you can do is, see here also we have got 3 by 5, here also we have got 3 by 5, so that's why this will be equal to this much. Okay, so calculate and find the value of x. It turns out to be minus 7. Okay, now next we have this question. Again, this question is also similar, so I'll write this using this formula. Okay, so using this formula, this can be written as e to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, I have written this as 2 by 3 to the power 1 by 3, and again 27 can be factorized. Yes, 2 can be factorized. Now apply this law again. Okay, so if you apply this law, you have to multiply the parts. So 1 by 3 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 divided by 3, and this can be written as 3 by 2 whole cube, isn't it? So now again invert it, you get 2 by 3, but the power becomes minus 3, and we know that in this case x minus 1 will be x minus 1 divided by 3 will be minus 3. Solve it and find the value of x, which turns out to be minus 8. Okay, so your homework is here. With this we close for the day. Thank you very much.